Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, and it is July 8th, and we're going to be analyzing the euro yen, and we're starting on the daily time frame. Just so I can show you that price did blow right past this 78%. I still think this is a wave B, but like I've been saying, wave Bs can make new highs, so it could possibly take out this high over here. So we definitely do not want to assume that it needs to stop here or needs to stop here. The market doesn't need to do anything, which is why we just go with the flow until the market tells us otherwise. The flow is definitely up, which is why I definitely am doing nothing but looking for longs. The pullbacks have been very small, probably like 15-minute, 5-minute pullbacks. I would like to see price go down and break structure on the 1 hour. Whether or not it's going to do that, I have no idea. It definitely doesn't have to. It could keep going up, which is why I'm not going to be sorting it. But I would like to see it go down. I would like to see it break structure. Then I would like to see a proper pullback. I would pull my Fibonacci on here. I would look for a three-way pullback, and I would look for more long opportunities. Like I said, I just because I draw this out definitely doesn't mean that's how it's going to happen. It could potentially just keep on making little pullbacks and just keep on going up, which is why I will definitely not be trying to sort a trend that is up on the monthly, up on the weekly, and up on the daily. But instead, I'll be doing nothing but looking for one, two, three-way pullbacks, one, two, three-way pullbacks, one, two, three-way pullbacks for long opportunities for the continuation of this uptrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked over here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.